Today we're doing another video, so I'm just gonna be walking around with a video car. Earlier I just uploaded a Grand Theft Auto 5 video. If you want to check that out, description below. Peace. So yesterday I uploaded that fireworks video. If any of you watched it or liked it or anything. And you know, it's the day after the party. Look at that bird. See that bird down there? See that bird down there? Get closer to the bird. To the bird. Bird is the word. Bird is the word. Bird. Look at that bird. That bird has been scared off here. The bird. Yeah, guys. Look at a little bit closer. Oh. Holy shit. Yeah, guys. This is, me. Yeah. My face. Yeah. I've seen plenty of them. Well, please. Yeah. Woof. Waffle. Yes, guys. And nothing really more to see, but link in the description below. And bye.